Okay, so let us start with today's topic. काय नाही म्हणजे 10:30 ते 11:30 घेतला तर चालेल का? उत्तम. Yes. Let us start with the direction test. So basically this is a very easy chapter again. It's a part of logical reasoning, which is, and generally this particular topic is asked for 6 to 7 marks. So this is important also, and this is easy also to get marks. Alright, so we are going to do this chapter today. Direction test. Now, as the name suggests, you know all the directions, right? North, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. These are the directions which all of us know. So now always remember, okay, can you see this axis of north, south and east, west? So what is the angle between north, south and east, west? 90 degrees, okay. So when I talk about northeast, 45, 45. So if I start from north direction and I want to move clockwise to the east, so the distance will be clockwise. Clockwise याने you have to go like this. So this distance, this angle is 45 degrees. This is again 45 degrees. So the total is nothing but 90 degree ka angle. So now you have to remember that when in a direction test sum, if they mention that it is a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, depending upon that you have to take your starting point. Old students, जरा आवाज थोड़ा कमी, okay? Just try to minimize your voice. All right. Now, Ata, this is a very, very important table which all of you should know. Okay. Suppose I am standing facing you people. Okay. So I am facing towards you means what? I am facing towards my. This is going to be my north. This is going to be my south. So this is going to be my east, and this behind me it will be west direction I am talking about. Correct? So now if a person goes left plus left, so suppose this is my starting point, I have to go to my left. So where will I go? This is my left. I will go here, or will I go here? Right side. Your left, my right. So you have to consider you as the main person. Okay. Your right side. So if a person is going to the left hand side, so he will start, if this is the starting point. So suppose if I show it to you here, if this is our starting point, and if I tell you that a person moves to my left, so which is my left, which is my right? I am going to go here. This will be my left, or will this be my left? Which direction? This or this? My left will be your right. So suppose if I want to go to my left, so now I am going to consider according to me, not according to you guys. Okay, this is our starting point A. So I am going to move to my left. If I move to my left, I am going to go here, suppose. Basically not to my left, consider the direction. So which is my north direction? This is my north. This is my south. So when I am going to my left, I am going towards which side? West. Okay. So I reached here. Suppose this is 2 kilometer ka distance. Then left ke baad again I take a left. Okay. So I am going to come over here. 3 kilometers. Left ka left. So left ka left means always down. Similarly, right ka right means always down. Same thing. Either I go to my left or my right. If I am going to move further to my left, I am going to go down. If I am going to move to my right, I am going to go down. Okay. So left plus left is down. Right plus right is down. Left plus right is up, or right plus left is up. So up till here you have understood. Please write down this table. Give the heading as direction tests. Write down this table, this is very important, and write these points down first, which I tell you. So left plus left is down. Please write it down. Okay, if there are any online students, if you do not understand anything or if you want to ask doubts, please do. Okay, so left plus left is what? Left plus left is down. Right plus right is down. Left, so first write this, left plus left is down. Then write down, right plus right is down. Left plus right is up. Right plus left is up. Written the 4 points, left plus left is down. Right plus right is down. Left plus right is up. Right plus left is also up. Then write down up plus left. Up plus left is always your left. I am going to teach you this part when we are going to solve the sums. Don't worry, but you have to remember this. Up plus left is left. Up plus right is right. Down plus left is right. And down plus right is left. So here, if you observe, down plus left jab hota hai, that is going to be equal to your right. And down plus right is going to be your left. So it is exact opposite, if you remember. So this is, I am teaching you how to remember these important points, okay? How to remember left plus left is down, right plus right is down, left plus right is up, right plus left is up, and then up plus left is left, up plus right is right, down plus left is right, exact opposite, and down plus right is left. Easy? Okay. Now let us start with the examples part. A man starts from a point and walks 2 kilometers towards his north, turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers. He again turns right and walks. So what is the direction now he is facing? So basically if I write this, so a man starts from a point and walks 2 kilometers towards north. So he starts from here. If this is the starting point, he walks 2 kilometers to the north. Then turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers. Now he is turning towards his right, correct, and walks 2 kilometers. Then again he turns right again and walks. So here again he is going to turn right. So what is right of right? So where is he walking? This direction. So this is your south. Understood how to apply this? Easy? It's quite easy. Okay. So I want you to draw a diagram like this for each and every sum. So that it becomes easier for you to reason it correctly. Okay. Now this one. Is it visible? Visible to you? Ramu walks 5 kilometers starting from his house towards west. So how will you draw it? First try on your own, then I will show it to you over here. So Ramu walks 5 kilometers from his house. He walks towards his west. Then he turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Then he takes left, walks 2 kilometers. Further he takes left and walks 3 kilometers. Finally he takes right and walks. Okay. What is the correct answer? What do you think? See, now you have to read the question very correctly. In what direction is he is now from his house? So from his house, that is our starting point. So with respect to the starting point, you will have to tell the direction. Your answer is east. This is our starting point. He is going in the west direction, so he will go in this direction, 5 kilometers. Then he turns right. So first he is going to the left and then right. What is left plus right? What is left plus right? So he is going up. Then this is 3 kilometers. Then again she takes a left turn. So she is going to walk towards this direction, west again. And further, so what is left of left? Down. So she comes over here and he finally turns right and walks 3 kilometers. So turns right. This is what left plus right is. Can we apply it over here? Is it possible? So this is the correct answer. You have understood this? He is traveling in the west direction of his house. Easy? I hope it is easy for all of you. Shall we start with the exercise? We are going to complete 54 sums today. Very easy. Okay. So Gopal started, okay, we'll just take this. Gopal started walking 2 kilometers straight from his school. Then he turned right and walked 1 kilometer. Again he turned right and walked 1 kilometer to reach his house. If his house is southeast from his school, then in what direction did Gopal start walking from the school? Okay. So where is his, he has started walking from his school, straight from his school. So this is his school, started walking straight. Then he turned right. Right of right is down. Walked 1 kilometer again. He again turned right, walked 1 kilometer, reached his house. So his house is in the southeast direction. Then in which direction did Gopal start walking from school? So in which direction did he start walking? East. Easy? Now this one. I want all of you to try this sum. A man starts from a point, walks 2 kilometers towards north. He turns towards his right and walks 2 kilometers, then again turns right and walks. So in what direction is he facing now? That is the question. Super genius people we have this time. Starting point is here, go up 2 kilometers, then move to your right 2 kilometers. So right of right is again down. So answer is south. Good. So no need to explain, right? Shall we move to the exercise directly? Easy? Yes or no? So let's start. See 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give you 5 minutes to solve 4 sums and then I will solve it for you. So done? Chapter झाला करून? पण सोपं आहे. This test is from the textbook itself. Next test is permutation combination is from. कारण एक आपले permutation combination from text झाली आहे म्हणून. So do it. पण mathematics of finance again from the textbook. मीच काढलाय पेपर, so I am telling you. अभ्यास करा तेवढा, that will help you. चला. Mohan starts from point A and walks 1 kilometer towards south, turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Then he again turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Now he is facing in which direction? North is the answer. Okay, solve first 5. Then we will discuss. Okay, all of you got the answer as north. So this is going to be our, so Mohan starts from a point A. So he starts from point A. I am going to show it here. This is our point A. Mohan starts from point A, walks 1 kilometer, he reaches B. Then he reaches B. He walks towards south. He then turns left. So left, that means here. This is our C. This is 1 kilometer. Then walks 1 kilometer. He then again turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Correct? So this is our D. So he is moving into north direction. Easy? Every time I want you to draw the figure, because that only is going to help you in the paper. Okay, you have to understand the question and draw it correctly like this. Okay, now the next one. Suresh starts from a point, walks 2 miles towards south, turns right and walks 1.5 miles. He turns left and walks half miles, and then he again turns back. What is the direction he is facing now? First, what's the name? Did you get the answer for this one? Answer is north. Can you tell me how? Okay, let us draw it over here. He starts from point A. So he is going to start from here. This is our A. Then he goes south. Then 1.5 miles towards left. And then he again goes. Correct? This is 1.5, 1.5. This is just 0.5 kilometers. And this is 1 kilometers. So now he is facing which direction? He is facing which direction? So basically, इथे reach केल्यानंतर, he is facing into which direction? From the starting, always you have to consider it from the starting point. Where was our starting point? A. So that is going to be, he is facing which direction? North. See, I am trying to explain also so that you don't get confused. Third one. A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards north, turns left, walks 6 miles, turns right, walks 3 miles and again turns right. Walks 4 miles and takes rest for 30 minutes. He gets up and walks straight 2 miles in the same direction and turns right and walks 1 mile. So in which direction is he facing? That's the question. Did you get the answer? What is it? Okay, all of you got the answer as south. Shall I explain? Next one is tricky. Okay, shall I explain this? Tell me yes or no. No need? Able to understand, or should I show it? I'll just show it, because then later on the students say, Asa noko. So we will start from A, reach B, okay, then go towards left, then go to D. This is 3 miles. Then again we reach point E, that is 4 miles. From E to F it is again 2 miles, and then to G 1 mile. So now he is facing which direction from the starting point? South. Always with respect to the starting point. Okay. Fourth one is tricky. Why, Arnav, tell me? What is so tricky about it?
Because we have to consider those kilometers distance.
Okay. Arun started from point A, walked 10 kilometers east to point B. Then he turned north, walked 3 kilometers to point C. And then turned west, walked 12 kilometers to point D, then again south and walked 3 kilometers to E. So in which direction is he from the starting point? So why do you need the kilometer part?
Because the starting point and ending points are two different things. So we have to calculate the distance between them.
No, they have just asked you in which direction you are facing.
अगर ऐसा करने हैं तो उसके हिसाब से तो वो फिर राइट में भी आ सकता है ना स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे. If the last distance was greater than the first distance, it would have been the south or southwest. नहीं तो वो फिर उसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट जीरो हो जाता अगर हमने सेम ही इसके हिसाब से किया रहेगा.
Okay, so let us see. Let us start. You will have to read it for me. Will you read the question for me? So wait, just a minute. Okay. Okay. So the fourth question.
Arun started from point A and walked 10 kilometers to the east.
So this is A. This is our B, correct?
And 10 kilometers.
Oh, this is the 10 kilometers. Okay.
Then turn to the north
And
walk 3 kilometers to point C.
So this is our C. Okay.
And then turn west and walk 12 kilometers to the point D.
Okay.
Then again turn south and walk 3 kilometers to point E.
So this is our E. This is 3 kilometers. And what is the question? In which direction is he from his starting point? So where was the starting point? This. So he is in which direction now? So read the question very carefully. Then you will get the correct answer. So no need to calculate the distance, right? See, here is the displacement asked? Is the distance asked? No. No, I am not getting your point. Please explain. So less hota distance. He will come in. So basically, you will have to draw it correctly, is what you are saying. Okay, got it. समझ में आया सबको? What's your name? Akanksha. समझ लो? Did you understand? Any doubt? If you have any doubt, please ask me right away. कितीही तो silly doubt असेल विचारा. Please ask. Okay? Next, the fifth one. Now 5th to 8th, I am going to give you 5 minutes to solve. All of you will solve it and you are going to answer. Okay, I am going to give you time to solve it. So please solve it correctly and let me know. I am going to ask questions now. Because this is very easy. Logical reasoning, this part is asked for 6 marks. Full marks मिलता, full scope है for logical reasoning. So please do it yourself. Yes? Any doubt, anyone? Solve the 5th question. The question is point out the direction in which he is going now. Five, 6, 7 and 8. 5 minutes to solve. Do it. Then we will discuss it. Omkar, right? You are going to tell me the answer for the fifth one. Arnav, Omkar, I remember. Azun, who I remember? Om ना? Om? हां. आता ह्या दोघांची नाव I have to figure out. तुझं नाव विसरले. What's your name? Harshavardhan. And you are the person sitting next to Arnav. What's your name? Atha. Okay. All right. So Omkar is going to tell me the answer for the fifth one. Correct? Everyone? Should I explain? Anybody got any other answer? Will you read it for me, Omkar? I'm going to draw it. Don't do plitch.
He starts from point and walks 5 kilometers north.
So this is your north, 5 kilometers.
Then turns left and walks 3 kilometers.
So this is your 3 kilometers.
Then again turns left and walks 5 kilometers.
So this is your, so he is going towards the south. Correct answer. Good. So that is option B for the fifth one. Ata sixth one, Atharva. Sixth one is, Atharva, you have to do it and tell me. 6. Huh? North hala sixth answer. Everybody got the same answer for the sixth one. So Atharva, please read it for me. I am going to draw it. Huh? I am not able to hear you. He is starting from A, point A. Huh? Then going to B. 20 kilometers. Next. So right. 10 kilometers. Then. So this is going to be my D. 9 kilometers. Then. So left. Yani he is going to go up or down? Down. That will be E. That is 5 kilometers. And then towards right? Left. Correct. So down or uske baad left. So he is going to, in which direction? This direction. This is 12 kilometers. And then again north. So now he is moving into which direction from the starting point? North. Correct? So that is option. Sixth का answer है option B. Okay, आता seventh one, Harshavardhan. A driver left his village and drove north. First tell me the answer. Did you get the answer? Okay. B, that is west. Oh, seventh का east. ठीक है. So now read it for me. So if he starts from A, he is going to drive to his north. That is B. 20 kilometers.
After this, he stopped for breakfast. Then he turned left and drove another 30 kilometers.
So this is your 30. He reaches C. Then So left, that is he is coming down. This is D 20. And then
before stopping for evening tea, once more he turned left and drove 30 kilometers to reach the town.
so he is going to move to the right hand side, E. So now in which direction?
After evening tea, in which direction will he drive?
So which direction is this?
East.
So answer is B, correct. Now the eighth one who will tell me from the girls? Om tu सांगतो का? Eighth. Answer is south for the eighth. All of you got the same answer? South है. You have to tell with respect to the starting point A. कुठे आहे स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट तुझा? वर आहे का खाली आहे? वर आहे ना? चला ओम आता माझ्यासाठी वाचणार आहे. आय एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ. कारण काय आहे, वी नीड टू सॉल्व इट करेक्टली. चला ओम सांग. अ मॅन इज फेसिंग. सो मॅन समजा इकडनं त्यांनी सुरुवात केली. ईस्ट आणि मग 10 किलोमीटर्स ना. सो इथून सुरुवात केली. मे बी ही गोज लाईक दिस. इज दिस करेक्ट? 10 meters. So this is 5 meters. C. So comes down 5 and reaches D. And then west. So go to the west direction. So from the starting point, in which direction? Easy? Very good. Chala, next one. 9th. Black dress. What's your name? Shweta. So Shweta is going to tell me the 9th one. Ani, what's your name? Bhavika. Bhavika, 10th. And you will do the 11th one. Okay? So I'll give you some time. Solve 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, you answer 9, 1, you answer 10, 1, 11, 12. Okay? Northwest. Option B for the 9th one. Everybody got the same answer? Okay, so tell me. First he goes from her home. So if my A is from her home, so home is our starting point. H, home. Home, we go to the north. Reach A. Then, so I'm going to go in this direction. So I'm going to go in north direction. So this is my school, her school. So she is situated in northwest. Good. Okay, now the 10th one, Shweta. Solve the 10th one. See, I am telling you the time. Okay, so in 5 minutes you have to complete 4 questions, or rather 5 questions is ideal. Okay, but please time yourself while solving these sums because they are easy. Okay, so how are we going to practice? We are going to time them. So in 5 minutes, 5 sums should be done. That should be your goal. Okay, because time management is very essential here. Okay, so 10 झालं, 11 Shweta. Okay, do it. I am giving you time to solve. Each and every time I am showing you the solution as well. If you are not able to solve, please Go through the solution part. Okay. Now we will draw here. This is our 10th one, na? 10th one? No, 11th one. So can you read it for me? Okay. So first we are going to the which direction? North. Shweta barobar 25 feet. Then 40 feet. Then so right यानी you have to move down. Right का right. हाँ. Okay. So he is going in this direction. F. Again 20. And here total distance is 45. बरोबर? Correct? So answer is from his starting point he is going into which direction? Starting point कुठे है? This is Shweta. This is our starting point. Correct? East ना? 11th का आंसर 11th है. अच्छा. So I have written it 11. Okay. Okay. Done? का? जा. का रे मॉड्यूल नाही तुझ्याकडे? ओम ओके. Okay. चला east direction. So east is the correct answer for the 10th one. आता 11th. So who is going to tell me the 11th? Bhavika. Yes. Southwest, option C for the 11th one. Everybody has got the answer? South? Are you sure about southwest? Okay, so let us draw. So starting from point A, he goes to B. So this is your A, this is your B. This is 20. Then C, then D, 20, no, 10. This is 20. Then again he travels to E, which is 20. Then again from E to F, 20. And F to G, 20. So which direction? South east. Correct? Southeast is the correct answer. So answer is option A for the 11th one. Option A for the 11th one. Okay, now the 12th. Anybody got the answer for the 12th? Okay, I am waiting. West is your answer. Anybody else who has got a different answer? The question is, in which direction is it located in relation to P? So in relation to P, which direction? Correct. That is option C. For the 12th one, answer C is the correct answer. Next. Will you read it for me? 12th. Northwest. म्हणजे असं. हां हां. Then so which is the southwest? This one? Or is this the southwest? This is the southwest. Huh. Huh.
Another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction.
So northwest from R. So again here reaches K. This is 2, na? This is 2. And then?
T is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southeast direction
From M. Okay. So southwest is here. So now this is a final P. So which direction is T from P? West. West, west. This is east. This is west. Understood this part? Oh, sorry. Please draw it if you want to. So total questions are 54. Okay, we will solve as many as possible. The rest you will solve as homework and show it to me on tomorrow. Okay, because they are very easy. Jitne honge right now, complete. Otherwise, solve for homework. And if you have any doubt, you can ask tomorrow. I am going to check your homework tomorrow. Means you have to draw it. And it just takes not even half an hour. Okay, so I want you to complete it. Have you understood pakka? Now 13th one. 13th one का answer? South या west? Compared to whose house they have asked? Babu's house. So that is southeast or southwest? Okay. So we will draw it. Suppose this was 13th sum, na? No, which sum? 13th. This is 13th. Yes. Okay, so this is Babu. Okay, then he will move to. Please read it for me. Huh? Which direction? Read the sum, please.
Babu is Rahim's neighbor and his house is 200 meters away in the northwest direction.
Okay, so northwest, yani where will you go? Here? This is? This is who? Rahim. Rahim.
Yeah, that's right.
Huh.
Joseph is Rahim's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the southwest.
So here,
Yeah.
Joseph. Huh.
Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he stays 200 meters away in the southeast direction.
So this is Gopal.
Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the northeast direction.
So this is Roy.
Yeah. Then where is the position of Roy's house in relation to Babu?
So in relation to Babu's which direction? East. So the answer is option, correct na? So you were saying southwest. Answer is southeast. A is the correct option. Na? Huh? Okay. ठीक है. Now the 14th one. A tourist drives 10 km towards west and turns to left, takes a drive of another 4 km. He then drives towards east, another 4 km, and then he turns to his right and drives 5 km. So afterwards, he turns to his left and travels 6 km. In which direction is he from the starting point? That's the question. South? All of you got the same answer? Shall I repeat? Shall I show you the diagram? If anybody wants, let me know. Shall we move ahead? Okay, now the 15th one. A man started walking west. He turned right. So right of right means down. He turns left. In which direction is he walking now? So he started walking from here. He moved towards his west. West, na? Pehle. Then he went to the north. Then? Saili ma'am? Huh. So this is done. So answer will be north. Okay. So 15 ka answer is north. Now let us go to 16th. After walking a while, he again turned right. In which direction is he facing? That's the question. Okay. What is the answer? So he is moving in which direction? South for the 16th one, correct? Answer is south for the 16th one, option A. Now 17th. So 5 boys are sitting in a circle now. Okay, now this one is important, please mark. 5 boys A, B, C, D, E and E are sitting in a park in a circle. A is facing southwest, D is facing southeast. B and E are right opposite A and D respectively, and C is equidistant between D and B. So basically it's a combination of direction test and seating arrangement. You have to determine the seating arrangement as well. So what will you do here? 17, 5 boys A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so if this is a circle, if A is sitting over here, so who is sitting opposite to A? B. Correct? So these are sitting opposite each other. Then D or E are sitting opposite each other. So A, B, C, D and E, this is the correct way in they are sitting. Now they have asked you, C is facing in which direction? Correct? So in which direction is C facing? Equidistant means same, equal distance between them. Between A, B, C, D and E. Correct. East is the correct answer. Good. Okay. Now similar type of questions we are not going to solve. We are just going to solve different type of questions. Okay. Now let us directly solve. Okay, 20th one. The important questions we will be solving here. Easy ones you will be solving at home. So tell me the answer for the 20th one. At a stretch now solve 20 to 25. Okay, right now it is 12:36 exact. Huh? So I am going to check after exact 5 minutes. Okay, we will discuss the answer exact after 5 minutes. Okay, so solve from 20 to 25. I'll give you 5 minutes. ओके, सो आपण 20th वर होतो. 20thचा आन्सर हू विल टेल मी? भाविका, कॅन यू टेल मी 20th का? विच इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन सदर्न साइड. सबका आया? साउथ? शुड आई एक्सप्लेन? साउथ आया या ईस्ट आया? 20th ईस्ट आलं. ईस्टर्न साइड. अच्छा, डोंट गेट कन्फ्युज्ड इन दॅट. ओके, I should explain? Should I? Okay. So in 21, somebody please read it for me now. 21. So now remember, I am going to spend this much amount of time, 2 hours in this particular chapter. So I want you to understand everything and solve it on your own. Because this is your practice period. This is very important for LR. If you do the practice very well, then LR ka you don't need to do anything. Okay? So, okay, now the 21st one, please read it. Sorry, 20th one, please read it out. Someone? Jala kadla nahi hai? Who wants me to do it? Please read it out. Gol Gumbaz. Okay, whatever it is. हाँ, 12, you can say that. हाँ. So, हाँ, wait. So in the morning, sun rises in the. Okay. So the shadow will fall in west direction. Now in the evening, sun is already present in the west. Shadow will fall in the east. Then house of Gol Gumbaz is in which side of Barakaman? Where is the shadow falling? East. So it is on the eastern side. Understood? Next. Twenty-first. Om will tell me the answer for 21st. South, that is option D. Everybody is getting the same answer. Option D. Next. 22. What's the answer? West direction. Correct. So that is option B. 23rd. 23rd, everybody is getting the answer as south. So answer is D. No, A for the 23rd. A. 24th. C is the correct answer. East. No. For the 24th one. Are you sure? Answer yes. 24th answer is east. Option C. 25th. Correct. Now next. Anybody done with 26 also? Okay, now 26 to 30. Please solve. Online students? Param is there. Param, online. Acha. Online students, anybody, any doubt? If you are not understanding, please let me know. Again, 5 minutes for you to solve. Okay. काय म्हणजे this one, that blue thing? इथे ना. ओके, लाईक दिस. हां, ओके. सो दॅट आय हॅव टू डू एव्हरी टाइम ना. कळलं. खूप सोपं आहे, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. येईल मला. नाही आला तर आहेसच तू. कॉल करेन तुला. पण मग उद्या 10:30 इज फाईन. ओके. सो 26th वाला झालं. 26 to 30 please solve, then we will discuss. Param, tomorrow we will have your 12th commerce lecture at 10:30. So please be there here at Bajirao Road itself. So 10:30 to 11:30 will be your 12th standard lecture, and then 11:30 to 1:30 we are going to do CA Foundation. So I want you to be present tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going to take an important thing for matrices. Okay? Please answer in the chat box if you have understood this message. Param, are you there? ओके. काय करायचं? बॉर्डर नाही. कुठे? राईट हँड साईडला. ओके. ओके. पण हे शिफ्ट नाहीच होत आहे. ओके. आता परत. हां हां, तो नाही घालायचा. लॉक स्क्रीन. ओके, ठीक आहे. मग करून टाकू आपण. मॅट्रायसेस तर माझं झालेलं आहे चांगलं. म्हणजे ते तिकडेही झालं आहे. आता माझी ट्रिपल चौपल रिव्हिजन होते. ओके, डन. What is the answer for 26th? Everybody got the answer for 26th? Driver is in which direction? बंद झालं तर मग. Okay. What is the answer for 26? Is it north? B for 26th. Everybody got the answer as B. 27. 27 answer is west direction. That is correct. Option B. 28. South, correct. Everybody has got the same answer. 28. A. 29. 29 is east. Okay. Correct. So 29 option B. 30th. Option B again. Now solve the next. 31 to 35. Please solve. Again, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Please solve it. Yes, so now 31st. What is the correct answer for 31st? Thirty-first is west. Option B, correct. 32, east, correct. 33, so 32, option A. 33, east, correct. C, option C for 33. 34, option C. 35, north, option A for 35. Okay. चलो 36 to 40 हो गया. वाह, वेरी गुड. गुड. सो 36 का आंसर बता दो अर्णव. ऑप्शन ए फॉर 36. 37 साउथ. ऑप्शन सी 38. ऑप्शन सी 39. 39, everybody got the answer as east. Okay, you want me to give you time? Okay, solve it. Next, 37th one. Which one? 37th, right? 38. Okay, what is the answer for 38? Option C, south. Then Then 39, tell me the answer for 39th. East. Everybody is getting the same answer. East direction, 39, option A. 40. 40 is also east, correct. 41. 41 का answer is 41 to 44. If you want me to solve any particular question, please let me know. I will solve it for you. You want? After you finish the test. हो गया test? Finished? Your time is till 1:30, na? 1:20 I want your papers. Time management. चला. Exact 1:20. I want your papers. तिला डिस्टर्ब होत आहे, भावनाला अभ्यास करू दे. बाय द वे, पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंगचं काय झालं पुढे? त्या दिवशी कॅन्सल झाली कारण पाऊस येत होता आणि बरं पण नव्हतं आय थिंक मॅमना. हो आले पण सगळं लास्ट मिनिटच त्या दिवशी कॅन्सल झालं. मी पण नव्हते, मला पण बरं नव्हतं आणि सायली मॅमना पण बरं नव्हतं, त्यामुळे आम्ही ठेवू नाही शकलो टेस्ट. पण आता ह्या सॅटर्डेला ठेवू शकतो का मी विचारते आणि मग तसं आय लेट यू नो. पेरेंट टीचर पाहिजे ना, किती तुम्ही अभ्यास करताय किती नाही, इजंट इट? नको, समोरासमोर विथ यू ऑल, ती जास्त मजा आहे अर्णव आम्हाला ॲज टीचर्स, इजंट इट? ओके, सो 41 आन्सर झालं, डन. वेस्ट इज द आंसर फॉर 41st. सबका आया. देन 42 अगेन वेस्ट, ऑप्शन सी. 43 ऑप्शन 3 is 43rd north west, option C. 44 C. सबका आया. Shall I move ahead? Am I going too fast, girls? If you want, I can wait. Shall we move ahead? 45th. Wait, let them solve. 45th to 48. You are done? Shall I give you extra sums if you are not, if you have finished? So do it. 54. So tell me the answer for 45th. फोर्टी फिफ्थ का आंसर है ईस्ट, ऑप्शन ए 46, अगेन ईस्ट, ऑप्शन बी फॉर 46, 47th, नॉर्थ, ऑप्शन ए 48, 48, हाँ नहीं सॉल्व किया, करो। (48 to 52), please solve it. Giving you time again to solve. Okay. Now 48th one. Tell me the answer for 48. Southwest. Okay. That is option. Then 49. West. Option B. नहीं. West. हाँ. Option B. 50th. West again. Option B. 51. West again. Option B. And 52. Option C for 52. 48 करते. 53, 54 पण करा, मम्मी करते. ओके, 53 का आंसर है वेस्ट. ओके, आणि 54 इज गुड. सो 48 अब एक्सप्लेन करना है. ओके. So 48th one, Raju Ramu's neighbor. Okay, and he stays 100 meters towards southeast. So if this is Ramu, towards its southeast lives Raju. Venu is Raju's neighbor and he stays 100 meters away. Venu is Raju's neighbor and he stays 100 meters away towards southeast. So Venu lives over here. Then Kadar is Venu's neighbor and he stays 100 meters towards northwest. So where does Kadar live? He lives here. Northwest. So then where is the position of Kadar's home in relation to Ramu's? Answer is? समझ में आया? So with respect to what, that you have to understand. Easy? So I think we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll start with blood relations. Blood relations. Okay? So bye-bye.